Friends, I'm doing an unboxing video for Everlasting Comfort. This is ultrasonic humidifier, and this came in the packet, and here's the main equipment inside. It was inside the packet, so it has a nice control system here on the bottom. LED off, on, minimum, maximum, and you have to check out this up, and you see there is a nice system here which flows the water. It goes from here, it goes here, and basically it comes here and then goes up as a mist. Probably it's got hot here, it's a heating system here, and there is something, I don't know what is this, maybe heating the mist here. So there in the bottom here's a tray, sponge, you put the mist oil here and put it back, and on the tray on the top this is the white cap that you have to take it to open it. White cap, open the white cap, and you put the tap water inside and then close the cap. Close the cap, and then you just put it as it was, put it like this, and just goes here, and then you connect it to the power, and then you can adjust the flow here, maximum or minimum is rotating the knob. That's it. It's very easy.